Abraham Lincoln's quotes.
I am in favor of animal rights as well as human rights. That is the way of a whole human being. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any one thing. I have been driven many times upon my knees by the overwhelming conviction that I had nowhere else to go. My own wisdom and that of all about me seemed insufficient for that day. You can fool some of the people all of the time, and all of the people some of the time, but you cannot fool all of the people all of the time. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live up to what light I have. I can see how it might be possible for a man to look down upon the earth and be an atheist, but I cannot conceive how a man could look up into the heavens and say there is no God. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live up to what light I have. Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. My concern is not whether God is on our side, my greatest concern is to be on God's side.